Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the weapon is recognized by your loadout system. You must be in a safe zone and have saved. Next, equip 3 focus crystals and the calibrator tool because you will use them to shape the core resonance. Once done, open the weapon interface and target the ethereal anchor, that glowing rune or port, and lock it. This prepares the device for guided focusing. Make sure the UI confirms anchor secure before proceeding to active tuning. Now you perform active tuning. Insert the crystals in the prescribed order and observe the resonance meter. This tells you how alignment progresses. Use the calibrator to nudge frequency in small increments about 0, 5 to 1, 5 steps because large shifts trigger instability. Once the meter sits near 75% stability, engage the phase bind to lock the configuration. If you see oscillations, reduce input and retune slowly. Finally, trigger the lock sequence to seal the focus. Wait for the integrity indicator to reach 100% and ensure no corruption flags appear. After locking, run a controlled test at 10% output to verify accuracy, because a brief live fire reveals hidden instabilities without risking full power. If anything abnormal happens, abort immediately. Remove crystals, revert to your saved state, and log the error. That single troubleshooting step often preserves the weapon and your resources. Use it whenever in doubt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.